Welcome to Clever Mum. Welcome to the ultimate guide to making the perfect, quick and easy grilled cheese sandwich. In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know to make one of the most beloved snacks or meals, whether you're in a rush, looking for comfort, or just craving something cheesy and golden. The best part? You only need 3 simple ingredients: bread, butter, and cheese. Why grilled cheese? To kick things off, let's talk about why grilled cheese is such a universal favorite. From its comforting crunch on the outside to its gooey, cheesy middle, it's the perfect balance of texture and flavor. Plus, the simplicity of grilled cheese means that anyone, from a beginner cook to a seasoned pro, can make it their own with minimal effort. It's also versatile. You can pair it with tomato soup, customize it with different kinds of cheese or bread, or take it to the next level with add-ons like bacon, avocado, or even apple slices. Step-by-step breakdown. 1. Ingredients and preparation. 5 minutes. Here's what you'll need. Bread. Your canvas. Stick with classic white sandwich bread or experiment with sourdough, whole grain, rye, or even brioche for a gourmet twist. Butter. The secret to a perfect golden crust. Ensure the butter is softened so it spreads easily. Cheese. The star. Opt for a melty cheese like cheddar, American, mozzarella, or Swiss, or mix them for a flavor boost. Preparation tip. Take your cheese out of the fridge about 10 to 15 minutes beforehand so it softens a bit. This will help it melt more uniformly when grilled. If you're using butter straight from the fridge, microwave it for a few seconds to soften or allow it to sit out while you prepare your pan. 2. Assembly. 5 minutes. Step 1. Lay out your bread slices. Spread butter evenly on one side of each slice. It's important to coat the bread edge to edge to achieve that even, crispy golden brown crust. Step 2. Flip the bread over so the buttered sides are face down. This is where the cheese comes in. Place your cheese in between, keeping the buttered sides as the outer layers. For maximum gooiness, use 1.5 to 2 slices of cheese, depending on the size of your bread. Step 3. Optional but highly recommended. Season or add your personal twist here. Sprinkle a pinch of garlic powder for extra flavor. Spread a thin layer of mayo instead of butter for an even creamier finish. Or experiment with extra fillings like caramelized onions, cooked bacon, or tomato slices. Grilled cheese perfection is about to unfold. And trust me, wherever you're starting from, this simple process will put you on the path to sandwich glory. Here comes the fun part, the grilling. The secret to a perfect grilled cheese sandwich isn't just in what you put inside, it's how you cook it. Heat your pan. Use a non-stick skillet or a well-seasoned cast iron pan. Heat it over medium-low heat. Why low heat? Because a slower cook ensures the bread crisps up perfectly without burning, while also giving the cheese enough time to melt. Grill the first side. Place the sandwich in the pan. You'll hear a gentle sizzle. This means the bread is toasting and the magic has begun. Cook it until it becomes a golden brown color, about 3 to 4 minutes. Tip: gently press down on the sandwich with a spatula to help it cook evenly. Flip it. Carefully flip the sandwich with your spatula and repeat on the second side. Don't rush. Slow and steady wins the race when it comes to golden, crispy perfection. Check for doneness. The sandwich is ready when both sides are perfectly toasted and the cheese inside is melted and ooey gooey. To confirm, press gently in the center. It should have a slight squish from the melted cheese. Once the toasting part is done, it's time to plate and enjoy. But let's make sure to take it a step further. Serving and pairing ideas. Slice and serve. For presentation, cut the sandwich diagonally. This gives you those irresistible cheesy pull-apart moments. Pairings. Classic grilled cheese shines when paired with a comforting bowl of creamy tomato soup. Feeling adventurous? Pair it with a tangy side salad, potato chips, or even a fried egg on top. Untitled bonus tips for customization. Elevate your grilled cheese with these tips. Cheese combos. Experiment by mixing sharp cheddar with mild mozzarella for a flavor explosion, or add a touch of brie for creaminess, perhaps a sprinkle of blue cheese for boldness. Bread swaps. Try sourdough, baguette slices, or gluten-free options. Add-on ideas. Fresh herbs like basil, a dash of hot sauce, or some pickled jalapenos can elevate your creation. Healthier options. Opt for whole grain bread, low-fat cheese and olive oil instead of butter for a lighter twist. Why does the grilled cheese sandwich work so well? It combines the perfect trifecta of crunchy, creamy and savory. Plus, it showcases the magic of simple, affordable ingredients working together to create ultimate comfort food. If you're a beginner cook, this dish is a great starting point because it teaches foundational skills like spreading, layering, and pan grilling that translate into many other recipes. So here's where you come in. Now that you've seen how easy and versatile a grilled cheese sandwich can be, it's time to try it yourself. Whether you stick to the classic version or go wild with your own spin, you can't go wrong. What would you add to take your sandwich to the next level? Is there a secret ingredient you've been waiting to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this guide, hit that like button and subscribe to Clever Mum for more simple, delicious recipes and ideas. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be complicated to be rewarding. And sometimes the simplest meals are the ones we remember and enjoy the most. Thanks for joining me on this cheesy adventure. Happy grilling!